At and by both are prepositions, both are a part of speech. They sometimes appear to be very complex in the usage of making sentence. So considering its importance and its confusing part, I am going to make this video. Hope you will like this video, and those who are new to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you do not miss the valuable notification. Okay, we will see the subject, the teaching, the lesson at and by. At denotes time, by here denotes time. I am discussing at and by on the ground of time. At denotes definite point of time, by denotes future points of time. So it is clear here. At denote a complete specific time. At will point out complete time, একদম perfect time, and by has several meanings, but by here denotes point of future time. So we will see the difference. At can be in this field of, in this ground of time, at can be used at any tense, but by here will denote only in the future tense. It will only signify the future point of time. So we will see the examples. Number one examples, the function broke up at 8 pm. ফাংশনটা শেষ হয়েছিল 8টার সময়, রাত্রি 8টার সময়, একদম পারফেক্ট 8টার সময়। Number two, I went to his house at 9 am. আমি তার বাড়ি গিয়েছিলাম একদম পাক্কা 8টার সময়, কমপ্লিট স্পেসিফিক, at is pointing out the perfect time. Darjeeling Mail leaves Siliguri stations at 8:30 pm. Darjeeling Mail Siliguri স্টেশনকে লিভ করে 8:30, complete perfect point of time. That's why at qualifies perfect and definite point of time in any tense, either it is present, past and future. Yesterday I woke up at 4:30 am. Yesterday I woke up at 4:30 am. Definitely I woke. The time when I woke was 4:30 am. This is the definite point of time. Now we will see the future point of time by the preposition by. See, future point of time. Future point of time, that means today he will come to my house by 5:30 pm. 5:30 pm, it means before 5:30 pm, just before 5:30 pm. 5:30 will never be crossed. Promised, he has promised to come 5:30, and this time he has promised, but he will not cross the time 5:30 pm. Tomorrow I will have reached to the station by 11:30 am. আগামীকাল আমি স্টেশনে 11:30 এর আগেই পৌঁছে যাবে, তুমি পৌঁছাবে তা আমি প্রতিদিন দিয়ে পৌঁছে যাব, এরকম ধরনের আমরা কথা বলি। Sometimes we use this language. Don't worry, I will be there. I will be at the station by 11:30 am. That means I will be 11:30 will not cross. I will not cross the time 11:30. The promised time will never be crossed, will never be, the promise will never be broken. The students will have to submit assignment by the second week of this month. স্টুডেন্টসদের এই মাসে সেকেন্ড উইকে বাই বসানো হয়েছে। Here by has been used, by has been used. That means second week of this month, এই মান্থের সেকেন্ড উইকের আগেই কি হয়ে যাবে, অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের আগেই সেকেন্ড উইক will never cross. The students cannot cross by the second week of this month. You must return by 4 pm. তুমি অবশ্যই 4টা pm এর আগে তুমি রিটার্ন করবে। You can never cross 4 pm, otherwise something will be taken against you. Application will be received by 10th August. Applications গুলো জমা হয়ে যাবে 10th August এর আগে. It means that application will never be received after 10th August. And if you come after 4 pm, something harsh will be taken against you. And if the students crosses the limit, the time limit, second week of this month, it means the students will have to pay some, will have to suffer for this. So This is the difference between by, at and by. I think that you will have no problem. By has several meanings, but here by is pointing out, here by is denoting the time. So see the video sincerely and receive the education that I am delivering here. Hope you are very well, and hope you are very well by the grace of God and Almighty. Always keep on learning.